Good afternoon, my VIPs. I hope everyone is having such a blessed day. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of this beautiful blue halo with a touch of glitter. I absolutely love how it turned out. I couldn't be more happier with it. So you guys keep on watching. So we're going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we will go from the lightest shade of blue to the deeper set of blue. I have already primed my eyes with concealer, so we will go in with a Morphe E18 brush, and I am packing all the colors in from the lightest to the darkest, and I am stamping. I want to be able to keep the pigment and not brush the shadow all over the place and have a big mess. I really just want to be precise with the blending and the application of the shadows. So I will go in and I will blend. You guys always keep in mind that blending does take a while, so be patient. My 5-minute video does not show any kind of justice on the process of blending shadows. So once I get all of this blended out in the pigment that I want, I will go into the Juvia's Magic Place palette and go in with this deep blue color. I will pack this into my inner corner and my outer corner, also taking it above the crease just a little bit to where it will be able to peek through when I cut the crease, just to give it a little bit more depth and definition into the eyes. You guys, with my hooded eyes, I have to do what is best for my eye shape, and that is what it is. So I will then go in and blend out again. You guys, like I said, the blending process is insane. I will then cut my crease. The reason I do that is because I do have hooded eyes and I want to make sure that you can see the crease cut from when you're looking in front. I will then blend the shadows into the concealer and then going in with the deep blue shade from the Juvia's palette, and I am just building and blending the color as I want with the pigment. I will then go in with a lighter blue shade towards the center of the lid. And like I said, we go from dark to light, and we just want to pack it on so the color payoff is there. We are then going to start blending it out. We want everything blended so well. Blue eyeshadow is a pain to work with sometimes. Then we're going in with the light blue shade in the center and blending all over again. I am then going to take a black shadow and I'm going to define my crease even more, just a little bit with the black shadow and putting it right over where I cut the crease. We will then put it in the inner and outer corner, mixing it with the deep blue shade once again, and gently blending and adding the pigment back into the shadows. We will then add a little bit of touch of the light blue back to the top and blend. We're gonna go in with the Urban Decay eyelid primer and the BH Cosmetics Chameleon Glitter. I'm just going to take a little e.l.f. brush and just put the primer on my lid and then add the glitter to the top. I'm going in with the Fenty Fly Liner. This is a transfer proof eyeliner, and we're just coating the lash line for the prep of the lashes. And guys, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I'm so sorry for my lower lash line. I do apologize, but it's the same process from the top to the bottom. You go from the light shade to the dark shade and blend everything out. We are going in with the Lily lashes in the style Erica. These are absolutely beautiful. Then we will coat our lower lash line with the Benefit Roller Lash just to give us some mascara on our lower lash line. Yeah, that's about it. So you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I know it's kind of all over the place, but the next one will be better. I do promise you that. You guys, please check the description box. All my medias are linked down there, and also for the lovely messages that I leave y'all. You guys, I would love for you to become a VIP and join the party by subscribing. Other than that, y'all, I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video, and I cannot wait. Have a blessed day, and be kind and loving and courageous. Bye, y'all.